All right, we're gonna be making baked chicken, red beans and rice, and some cornbread, some good southern food. I usually do the beans and the dry beans in the bag, but I'm gonna do the Blue Runner Creole cream style red beans. I already put the oven on 375 for the chicken, and then you're gonna put it in glass pan or a metal pan. Onions and bell peppers, chop them up. I'm teaching Jamar how to cook because baby.
But I already know how to cook.
What can you cook?
Enchiladas.
Noodles?
Fire.
I can make them goddamn enchiladas.
She can't make them better than me.
Don't make me cry.
See? She knows. It's okay. It's the onions that made her cry now.
Oh my god, yes. They were burning. Like I feel like somebody put a torch to my face. Get out. Go away. You gotta make sure you wash them because they probably dirty. They've been sitting in the grocery store and out in the germaphobe. So the next, you're gonna take your chicken. Make sure you wash that too.
With soap.
Not with soap. With water, hot water, steaming hot water. You probably should do it with cold water because cold water kills germs, right? I think so. I think cold water kills germs. Come on here. Now we gonna season this chicken in the bowl. Use your red pepper, cayenne pepper. You won't put a lot, even though Jamari don't like spicy food. You're gonna eat spicy food today.
Sure? About that?
I'm positive.
Is that what makes it spicy?
The cayenne pepper and the black pepper too. You're gonna use your onion powder, your garlic powder.
Too much pepper. That's like...
We're gonna use probably I should be keeping this in my purse everywhere I go, but I don't. Yeah, a little cayenne pepper. If you're not from Louisiana, you probably say cayenne. Oh, actually, this is Tony Chacheres. And we're gonna do our black pepper, then our salt. And I kind of just guess as to how much I need. Then I'm gonna put some oil. I'm gonna just use the spray oil and put that on there. Put some oil on it. Shake it around. And no, my tree is not done. They just got a big bow on it and that's it. place them in the pan one by one. And I kind of just put one going one way and another go the other way. So it has some room to cook. Then first you're gonna put it in the oven and you're gonna let it brown on both sides. On one side, you'll go in, flip it, and then let it brown on the other side, and then you'll take it out again. And I'm gonna show you what to do next. While we wait on that, we're gonna start on the beans. Take some of those onions that you already chopped up, and you're gonna put your fire on. You can put it on about 4, I would say. Some olive oil, that's all I use. Cooking oil is very unhealthy. Put like a cap full. I'm gonna get some black pepper, get a little salt, onion powder, cayenne pepper, best thing ever. Cayenne pepper, sure. The garlic powder, for sure. After it browns and the onions become like a clear color, then you can put your beans in there. Sausage to the beans too. Hillshire Farm beef smoke. Are done. I'm gonna go ahead and season these onions and bell peppers and put it on the chicken. You're gonna add chicken broth in it. You're gonna add the chicken broth to it, and that's gonna help make the gravy. Don't add water, because when you add the chicken broth, it gives us a flavor, a different flavor. If I can open it. I poured all of it, and just keep checking on it so it don't dry out. All right, and we're gonna let that cook for a few minutes. Cool. Now we're gonna get these. Always use Jiffy. So we're gonna do 2 boxes, and we need 2 eggs. Try to do it with one hand. Oh, got it. I didn't know I could do that. Put these inside. I'm gonna open our milk. And I just estimate. I can get it off. Babe. Thank you. Just gonna put some milk, kind of estimate how much to put. Can't forget the sugar.
You know what I'm
Some more.
saying?
Need some more milk. Ready to go in the oven. Now we gotta wait. Now we're gonna make our rice. Should be about enough. Clean it off real quick. Okay, so you measure it by putting a finger like this in it, and if the water has to be up to this line to know if it is enough water. Works every single time. Alright y'all, thanks for watching our video. Even though I was the only one cooking, he didn't do nothing. But like, comment, subscribe, tell everybody to come join the family. If y'all want me to do any other videos, let me know. If y'all want me to do cooking, DIY, whatever. Got anything to say?
Y'all want to see me?
Do what?
Comment and say, I want to see Mari.
Alright, we're gonna see y'all
I
in our
can throw
next.
down too.
Nah, no. His food tastes like water. Water. Alright, bye y'all.
Yourself. A merry little Christmas. Na, na, na.